Hello, in this video, I wanted to show you Formaloo and their Magic Create. So together we are going to create a really neat dashboard of home modification professionals. And so we're gonna Magic Create here. And so what I wanna do is see if Formaloo can, using AI, create sort of a form that's going to then create a dashboard that's going to highlight home modification therapy professionals. So please create a form, an intake form that will then link to the following fields in order to showcase home showcase as a directory home modification professionals. Use the following fields. Name, okay, so we've got name, profession, years of experience. We're going to make this sort of like let's see. Nice, look at this. It's not bad. So we can update our logo, update our cover image here. We've got our name, profession, years of experience, expertise, and location right here. So let's update our cover image. Let's see if I have. No, let me update my logo here instead. Better fit there. And then this. Oh, I don't know why that looks a little blurry, but we'll leave that for now. I'm just going to sort of upload a random cover image here. It's not going to be perfect. Okay. So we've got our home mod professionals directory intake form. Input your professional details to be showcased in the home modification directory. Great. So there's that. We can right here add, duplicate, or delete any of the fields. We can use AI here to clear, change the grammar. Right here in settings. In settings, we can change the design color. Oh, I guess everything's pointing to over here. So let's see, going through to settings. We can change how active the form is. We can change submission settings. I only want to have them submit once. Required, yep. There's no payment, but that's great that you can have payment here. Okay, then design, classic form. We can also have one question. That's really neat. I like how it's one question at a time and then they can just go through. I really love how you can preview this without actually having to input the questions. That's really nice. So that's my keypad. Okay, that's really nice. I like one question at a time. And look at this. You can change the layout. Nice. That's cool. I think I'll just keep it centered. And then you can have the questions in text. Let's see, how does that look? Like my bluish font. Nice. And the answers can be in black, and then the background. Do that, and then I'll change but I like how this is really easy to adjust everything. And then is it going to adjust for all of them? That's nice. That's nice. I like that. Oh, there's a theme gallery here. That's nice. Oh, nice. Ooh, that's cool. I like all these different theme galleries. That's really nice. Oh yeah, that makes it look much better than just plain colors. That's great. I really love how they have a lot of pretty robust theme gallery here. That's really nice. I wonder if you could click on this theme and then just change this design. Oh, that's too bad. It'd be nice to like have this theme, but then change just the image. Let's go with that. I like that. Okay. That's really nice. I like how you can change your different fonts here. Oh, nice. That's nice that you can also have it be more or less transparent. Oh, this is really easy. You can round things. That's nice. You can show your welcome page. I love the progress bar. I always like that. Form title. You can shuffle fields order in case you have a quiz. You can hide anything, submit. You can make fields be full width. What does that do? Custom code. Okay, great. I like this. Now let's go to notify. And this is great that you can set up Slack, set up webhooks, your conditional emails. I always like email notifications. Great. Great. Okay, let's publish this. Okay, now we can view it. Nice. I probably actually would just remove these so that the home modifications just can be right front and center. So I'm just going to remove this and hopefully it'll just shift up everything. I wish I could just remove that so it wouldn't shift that, but I'm sure I can figure out how to edit that more. I could probably just maybe make my own welcome field. But look, I really like how they've got all these different fields. You got short, long, phone number, website. This is really great for like quizzes. You can embed a table, file upload content. Okay, let's leave it at this. Okay, so it's published. And then now it's ready. So let's see what happens if we add a field. So let's hit start. Okay, and I'm going to write Emma. I am a PT. I'm in 10 years. I specialize in adults, neuro, geriatrics, home safety, Parkinson's, dementia, false. Location, I'm in New Jersey. Great, okay, perfect. I'm sure I could edit this end screen, but let's go back here. And then now, let's see if it collected our responses. Perfect, look at that, how fast. There's our responses right there. So now if we get options here, beautiful. This is the cool thing. So now you can really sort of coordinate the data sources. So, it can create a table, a Kanban chart, gallery. So what I really want to try to do is, isn't this great? So blocks let you add different views. So I want to try to see, and probably just because I don't have that many, it's probably not letting me do anything else. But I wonder, let's do another person. And then let's see if we can maybe, it probably won't let me do gallery because I didn't ask for submit photos. But it'd be really neat if I asked for submit photos. I bet you it could do galleries. But right now it's just made a table, which is great. And what I love here is I can filter by name, by profession. I can hit new here and I can this is really great. I can add tags. I can search here. So contains, such and such, and then I could search. So this is really, really super great. And what I love is, yes, import and export. I wonder, it'd be really neat to be able to embed this somewhere. But at least I can export the responses. So this is perfect for like recruiting, import responses. So I could collect responses here and then create something. Let's hit what chart does. So this is really neat chart. And hopefully maybe it could collect like how many PTs I have, how many different people that I have. If I hit the plus, oh great, look. So now I can really, oh great, I can embed a URL, embed in video, create a gallery. Okay. Yay! Oh, beautiful. So this is what I wanted, is it created this nice little gallery where I can easily sort of see from each person what are options here. So card coverage, cards displays. That's really great. Edit form, filter. So really great. I'm really impressed with the robustness of how easy it was to make a very nice looking professional form that's got dates, it's got payments, it's got the ability to have a thank you, it's got ability to send me notifications. I always like to be notified right away. It was really easy to make this into a classic or a one question. The design was super, super easy to use, notifications. And then I really love how on the back end, this is pretty easy to use too. On the back end, I can really adjust my design and I can insert blocks, templates, I can do integrations, I can share it with my team members here. I can adjust. Oh, even neat. Look, I can create a client portal here, a branded space where clients can access documents, track product. So, I mean, this could be used for so many different. Let's click it. Okay. Well, really great. So then you can, hopefully when they come back, if I've created. Great. Okay. So now my portal's been enabled. And so then they can log back in. Here's a user directory. So I can set up a portal to give users exclusive access. So this is really neat. You have your responses. They're already making a chart. So a lot of this is already made for me, and I can create just this really bust user interface. So very enjoyable to use, Formaloo, and it's extremely robust. And I'm just going to keep learning and integrating. But I think this is wonderful for recruiters, as a CRM, for like a makeshift directory, lots of different use cases. So hopefully go check out Formaloo and see if it works for you.